Have you started your digital product business, but you've been finding yourself feeling stuck with selling digital products? Have you not been making sales? Have you been wondering what it is that you need to do or what it is that you're not doing so that you can become successful? Well, you are in luck. In today's video, I'm going to help you guys to be more motivated and to understand why you must keep going. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into today's video. How to stay motivated with digital products. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara. If you are new here on this channel, I teach you guys how to make money from anywhere in the world while living a life that you deserve, specifically through selling digital products. So have you been noticing that you feel drained, you are lacking motivation, you don't have what you feel like you should be having in life right now, you don't have the drive that you once have, and you feel like you are just stuck in a rat cycle because you are not where you want to be, and you know that you are capable of way more than what you are doing now. If that is you, I want you guys to understand that it is totally okay, and that is a part of having a business. But when it comes to the motivation, a lot of days you will feel unmotivated. And when you feel unmotivated on selling digital products, you have to remember your why. When it comes to your why, this is why are you selling digital products. If you go back and you watch my last video, I tell you guys the number one mistake most people make when selling digital products is selling for money and not for purpose. So if you find yourself feeling stuck, if you find yourself feeling unmotivated, you have to remember your why. Now, if you're saying, I started this business, I don't have a why of why I started this business, you need to first sit down and you need to write out your why. You need to figure out why you want to sell digital products. Maybe you are overwhelmed from working your 9-to-5 job. Maybe you are ready to quit your 9-to-5 job. Maybe you are ready to break poverty off of your family life. Maybe you have kids and you know that your kids deserve a better life. Whatever your why is, you have to always remember this on the days that you feel stuck, on the days that you feel unmotivated, on the days you feel like you can't keep going. Now, when it comes to selling digital products, you guys, you have to remember why you started, because your why is what's going to push you. The truth is, no matter what business it is, digital products, selling physical products, no matter what business model you go with, there are going to be days where you feel unmotivated. There are going to be days where you question what you're doing. There are going to be days when you want to throw the towel in and you want to give up. But when you learn to stop looking at your circumstance as something that has an option, and you look at it as there is only one way out, and that's you doing the work and showing up, everything else will change for you. I always tell myself and I always tell others, everything starts with the mindset, and you have to be willing to do the work even when you don't feel like it. So I want you guys to always remember, when your mindset feels stuck, take a moment, get you some fresh air, go for a walk, go for a jog, but always remember your why. Now, I don't know if you guys are spiritual, I don't know what you like to do, but for me, when I feel like I'm unmotivated, when I feel like I need a push, I always do a 24-hour fast. And that's because I need God to fill me with more of Him and less of me. Because when you put God in this, when you make sure that you're doing this in God's will and that you're in alignment with Him, everything else will be a smooth breeze. I'm not saying that it won't be hard. I'm not saying that you won't still have to put the work in. You will still have to show up. You will still have to choose, but you will still have strength to continue to press through on the days that you don't want to press through. So you guys, I want you to write your why down, and if you don't know what your why is, that's totally fine. But today, by the time you get back focused, You need to know why you're doing this. Now, if you're someone who is saying, I don't have any of those things that you listed, you have something. Do you have parents that you want to retire? Are you trying to take a trip before the year is out? How do you see your life? When you answer those questions, this is how you're going to be able to figure out what it is that you need to remember. If you need to create you a vision board, go on Canva, put those people that you say are your why, your reason, put that on your vision board. Those trips that you see yourself taking and not having to check your bank account, put that on your vision board. So every time you see your phone, guess what? You see it. You guys see my stuff? Yes, that's because those are my visions. Those are the things that I want. These are my whys. This is why I'm doing this. This is why I'm showing up consistently. So make sure that you keep things in front of you that's going to align with where you're trying to go. Stop being distracted. Stop watching stuff that's not feeding your brain and helping you to get to where you're trying to go. A lot of you have become distracted. A lot of you are watching too many people and seeing their lives and comparing their lives to your lives, when you need to buckle up. You need to focus. You need to be watching people who are doing exactly what it is that you want to do. Once you start looking at people who are doing what you're doing, once you start keeping your brain programmed on seeing things that you want to be doing, guess what? You will begin to get focused. You will begin to see, okay, I need to be doing this. You will get inspired. You will have inspiration by what other people in your same field are doing. So stop having distractions. Stop worrying about what your man or your woman outside of being married is doing. Stop worrying about what people in your hometown are doing or what they're saying about you. Get serious about your life, you guys. Make sure that everything you're doing is in alignment. Stop watching Facebook. Stop filling your brain up with things that does not bring you a step closer to where it is that you see yourself. So I hope this video helped you guys. Make sure you let me know down below what kind of videos you need me to post so that I'm able to help you to get started on your digital product business. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.